Google is unveiling the Pixel 11 family on August 12. The design of the device is very similar to that of its predecessor from last year, but the upcoming handset has the new Pixel Glow Color LED on the back, and this will be used for notifications and such. The camera island's overall shape is the same as it was on the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, but the flash and mic are no longer outside of the black glass-covered parts. A massive 8-inch main folding LTPO OLED display and a 6.4-inch cover screen, both supporting 120Hz refresh rates and up to 3500 nits peak brightness. The Pixel 11 Pro Fold will be powered by the Tensor G6 chipset, offer up to 16 GB of RAM with storage tiers spanning 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB, a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 48MP periscope telephoto lens, and will have a 4800 mAh battery. The device features a thinner and lighter body than its predecessor, measuring just 4.8 mm thick when unfolded and 10.1 mm when folded. Leaked to start at $1,899 in the US for the 256 GB base model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.